we have this module. This is HC06 Bluetooth module. 4 pins, BCC, ground, TX, RXD. And what are we going to do? We're going to turn on off these two LEDs using this Bluetooth module HC06. Of course, with the help of Fabricates Arduino Uno microcontroller. So we're going to turn on and off these two LEDs using the Bluetooth control this module. So first, let us upload the code. We need the code, and we're going to upload the code for this project. We now have this circuit. Of course, we have the Bluetooth module and some resistors as a logic shifter, and then also the two LEDs we're going to turn on and off. They are all connected to the Arduino Uno microcontroller via breadboard and a jumper wires. And we need of course this supply. Since we are done with uploading the code, we can now use these 9 volts to the battery port, or this port, battery 9 volts battery. So here the LED is blinking, the red and the blue of this Bluetooth module, and it is ready to pair since we are using Bluetooth module. And what do we need to do? What do we have here? We need cell phone to control the LED on and off with the use of Bluetooth. We need an Android apps from Play Store, and so search Search the app Arduino Bluetooth control. Let us see that Arduino, or we can type that Arduino, here, there, Bluetooth control. And we can see the apps here. We're going to choose this robot icon, Arduino Bluetooth controller. And since it is already installed, we already have this Arduino Bluetooth control. It is already installed. So it means we can use this in our project. If you don't have these apps, you need to install. We're not going to update that. We're just going to open that here. So you can see here, that is the Bluetooth control. Let us first connect our Bluetooth using the settings. Settings, connections. I'm using this Samsung A32. Bluetooth. And then scanning. We have now this HC06. That is the name of the device of this Bluetooth module. Of course, we're going to pair that. Pairing. And then we need a pin, or the Bluetooth pin password. Usually it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually, always, or usually. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. Pairing. Paired devices. So already paired. But the LED is still blinking. On and off. Blinking. Flashing. So we're now going to... Okay. We're going here. Arduino Bluetooth control. So we're now going to use the Android apps. Let us open that. And it is reading and connected to HC06. It means we are connected. And where is that? That is now the user interface. We're going to use this blue buttons and slider. And then we need to configure the button by pressing the space icon, right side, top right side. Scroll down. This command and button configuration. At the button A, okay, we are going to input A, or capital letter A. Why is it A? It is in the code. Button B, B. We can do that. B again. B. Okay. And then letter C, that is capital C. I already test this. That's why there is a letter C there. C. Okay. Letter D, D. Letter E, E. Letter F, F. What is the use of configuring the buttons? So we can now control the LED. That is the why did we configure the buttons. We're going to use that to control the LED. This is now the control buttons. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then, going back. Now, so you can see here that the Bluetooth module is already in a steady state. It is not blinking. It means our Bluetooth is connected. When we press A, turns on the blue. Okay? Then for the B, red. For the C, turns off the blue. D, turns off the red. Letter E, both they turns on, and then F turns off. So the configuration of the button is we configure the buttons to control the LED. Again, let us adjust. A, B, C, D, E, F. If you're planning to turn on both the LED, just press E. That is in the code. That is in the code. That's why we are now these two LED that turns on. Okay, we can now play a bolt off. That is our Bluetooth control using HC06 Bluetooth module that controls the LED on and off with the use of Arduino Uno, and then Android apps, which is Arduino Bluetooth control. So we need Android apps, Arduino, 9 volts, external battery, the Bluetooth module, and then the logic shifter, the resistor, then the two LEDs. To make this Bluetooth controlling two LEDs using HC06. We have the figure 1, Bluetooth controlling two LED lights using HC06 Bluetooth module and Arduino Uno microcontroller. So this is the Bluetooth module HC06 and then Arduino Uno microcontroller. So in the Arduino Uno, the power is 9 volts connected to the port, and then 5 volts of the Arduino Uno is connected to the VCC of the HC06 because that is the power of the Bluetooth. And then the RX is connected to the TXD or TX of the Bluetooth module. The TX now of the Arduino Uno connected to the RX via two resistor. What is the use of these two resistors in the circuit? Here, TX to the R1, R2 ground, and then to the RXD or receiver. What is the use of the two resistor? Serve as logic level shifter. Since we are using this communication protocol at TX and RX or serial, TX, RX, TX is being converted into how many volts? Approximately 3.3 volts using this divider resistor. So TX, transmit, then receive. Wherein here, TX here is already 3.3 volts, so it's okay to transmit it and being received by the Arduino Uno. Here we need to shift the logic level from 5 volts of the Arduino. Because of this voltage divider bias, it will shift the logic into 3.3 volts for the HC06, or else it will the HC06 will destroy, or it will not function, it will not work, and soon it will not work and function, because here we need a logic level of 3.3 volts to the Bluetooth module, because the TX and RX, they are the signal logic level, or signal or output logic level. We need 3.3 volts. TX from HC06 is already 3.3 volts being received by the receiver of the Arduino Uno. And so transmitting and receiving, transmit, receive, that is the communication between the two, the Bluetooth module and the microcontroller. 3.3 volts. And then ground of the module connected to the ground of this resistor, the ground of Arduino Uno, the ground of the two output LED. So this is the output LED. Okay? It is in what? In module or modular form, or like this one. Homemade module with resistor and LED. The blue and then the red. So in schematic, it is it will be drawn this way. And from the code, the 8 and 9 pin, they are declared as output. So current flows here. Output. Then to the resistor, and then to the LED, then to the ground. Resistor, LED, then to the ground. Current limiting resistor. Because the output of the Arduino Uno is 5 volts. Whereas the LED can only consume this one approximately 2 volts. And this one approximately 3 volts. So we need a current limiting resistor. The other voltage, the drop, is being consumed by this R3. So here, if this is 2 volts for the red, the 3 volts will go here in the resistor, making it a 5 volts output. So we need a current limiting resistor into the output. What makes this LED to turn on and off? Of course, we need a smartphone or a mobile phone. And we're using an apps for the smartphone to control the on and off of this LED. It is called the Arduino Bluetooth control. Arduino Bluetooth control. The apps. So that from the apps, configuring the buttons of the apps of the phone, mobile apps. Once we press the button here, transmit the signal received by the module, and it will turn on and off this LED. So this the phone serve as a transmitter. This one it serve as receiver. This Bluetooth module. So also from the phone, you after configuring the buttons of the apps, also the pairing of the Bluetooth. We need to pair the Bluetooth from cell phone to the module. So we can see that it is HC06 pairing, and then the configuration of the buttons of the apps. So when we use the phone now, we can able to turn on and off these LED once the signal is being received by the receiver or this Bluetooth module. Then using this TXRX line, it will communicate. Depends on the code. It will turn on and off, or sometimes both turning on or both turning off. Depends on the command by the user, or command from the cell phone or from the smartphone or from the mobile phone. So that is our Bluetooth control, or we control the two LED to turn on and off using a Bluetooth module HC06 and Arduino Uno, and of course the apps Arduino Bluetooth control of the Android phone.